There was once a farmer who lost his precious watch while working in his barn. Normally, the farmer would not stress about losing a material object, but this watch was special because it was given to him by his father. He searched day and night for the watch. He looked through all the hay. He looked under all the chickens. He even asked the goats if they ate it. Unfortunately, the farmer went to bed empty-handed. The following morning, the farmer drove to town in his beat-up old truck and offered the townspeople a hefty reward to anyone who could come by and find his watch. Throughout the day, a slew of people came by, but no one was able to find it. When night came, the farmer had lost hope and instructed the search party to go home. To his surprise, a little girl came up to the farmer and asked if she could search the barn on her own. Not wanting to waste any chance of the watch being found, the farmer let the girl into the barn. After some time, the little girl came out with the watch in her hand. Absolutely bewildered by this, the farmer asked the girl how she was able to find the watch. She replied, "I kept trying to listen for the watch's ticking, but it was too loud when all those people were here. In silence, it was a lot easier to hear and find the watch." The farmer smiled, handed her the reward, and they went their separate ways. Stressful events and problems are a normal part of life. It has become our culture to want to quickly solve our predicaments, which can lead us to make some hasty decisions. Sometimes it may work out, but usually it'll make the problem even worse. Whenever you find yourself trying to tackle a big situation, remember that a peaceful mind is much easier to work with than a loud, uncontrolled mind. Just a few moments of silence might be all you need to change making a regretful decision into a superior one. After all, the quieter that you are, the more that you can listen to the world around you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great